Station will be start in 5 seconds. Start. Every election gives the winner a mandate and the opposition, the responsibility of ensuring accountability of the executive. Full stop. Parliamentary democracy is all about numbers. Full stop. But it does not necessarily mean that we reduce the functioning of our legislatures to a mere numbers game. Full stop. The play of numbers should stop with the formation of governments and thereafter, it should be resorted to only in the rarest of the rare cases. Full stop. An emerging economy like ours should be guided more by a shared destiny in the functioning of our legislatures. Full stop. New para. Honorable members, all that the people of our country desire is that the parliament should be the voice of sanity, echoing their concerns and finding solutions to their problems as the best way forward. Full stop. Over the years, both the houses of parliament have done a reasonably good job. Full stop. But somehow there is a growing concern and resentment among the people over our functioning. Full stop. We need to seriously introspect over this palpable need to seriously introspect disconnect with the people saying we are not doing enough, discontent with the people still. Full stop. We need to set an example for state legislature by making suitable amendments to the way we speak and act here. Full stop. Effective functioning of the house is all about time and space management. Full stop. Both the treasury and the opposition benches have defined space and time slots. Full stop. We need to adjust ourselves within these set limits of time and space in the interest of better results. Full stop. All that is needed is an attitude of give and take on the part of both the sides. Full stop. This is possible through strategizing for effective functioning of the house rather than for its disruption. Full stop. This needs an enlightened approach on the part of all concerned. Full stop. New para. Unfortunately, obstruction and disruption of the proceedings is increasingly being chosen as the first parliamentary option in our legislatures across the country. Full stop. This has serious implications for our country. Full stop. This has serious implication parliamentary democracy. Full stop. This option needs to be immediately replaced by a quest for effective debates and discussion to resolve issues and finding solutions to the problems being faced by our people. Full stop. How do we do it? Question mark. We don't have to do different things to make good use of the opportunity of being members of this august house. Full stop. All that we need to do is to do things differently, and that is by intensely and persistently debating and discussing the issues rather than resorting to obstruction and disruption. Full stop.